I'm Kate Cleaver and I'm the Head of Partnerships here at Wrexham University, and I would just like to extend special congratulations to our WU online students who've studied with the North Wales Management School online, and our partner students who have studied across the globe and in the UK who are here to celebrate with us today. We wish you every success in the future and we're so happy to have you celebrating with us today.
Hi, Applied Business Management. I just wanted to congratulate you on what an awesome job you've done. It's been my privilege and my honour to spend the last 12 months with you. I wish you happiness and laughter and continued success for the future.
My name's Dan and I work in the international office here at Wrexham. We just want to say on behalf of the office, congratulations on graduating and be proud of all of your achievements today. Enjoy the day and enjoy celebrating.
Hi, I'm Sally Lambar, Head of Student Support and Wellbeing at the university. I know some of you will have attended Ask and Student Support at the university while you've been studying. We just want to wish you many congratulations and hope you have a fantastic day.
Just a quick message to say congratulations on your graduation. It's your hard work and dedication that's got you to where you are today, so well done. If you are considering staying on for postgraduate study, we would welcome you here at Wrexham University. If not, then I wish you all the luck in the world with your future endeavours.
Hi, my name is Ellen Coleman and I am one of the specialist mental health mentors working in the inclusion team. Our entire team would just like to take a minute to congratulate every single one of you. The achievements you've made while you've been here at the university has been phenomenal, both academic and the personal growth that you've all shown is truly inspirational, and I'd like to take a moment from the team to say good luck with everything moving forward.
A massive well done to all our health and wellbeing students who are graduating today with their degrees and diplomas.
We're so proud of everything you've achieved and we know you're going to go on to be fabulous practitioners.
It's been a real honour and a privilege working with you over the last few years, and we know that you're going to go on and change the world for the better.
Congratulations!
Hello, it's Colin Jackson here, your Chancellor at Wrexham University. I'd like to extend a huge congratulations to all the graduates. What a fantastic job you have done. And also, you've set yourself up on your journey in this incredible world. So work hard, stay committed, stay dedicated, and follow your dreams, because your dreams can take you anywhere. Well done. Congratulations.
O bore da, a chroeso cynnes i chi i gyd i Brifysgol Wrexham ac i seremoni raddio y Brifysgol. Y cyntaf o 7 seremoni i'w chynnal dros 3 diwrnod. Welcome to Wrexham University and to the university's graduation ceremony, the first of 7 ceremonies to be held here over 3 days. Y mae 2 ran i'r seremoni sy'n cael ei alw yn gynulliad y Brifysgol. Yn rhan gyntaf y cynulliad, byddwn yn derbyn yn gymrawd yn rhydeddus unigolyn a ystyrir yn deilwng o'r anrhydedd yma. Yn ail hanner y seremoni byddwn yn cyflwyno tystysgrifau, diplomau a graddau. There are 2 parts to this ceremony, known as a congregation of the university. In the first part, we will receive, as an honorary fellow, an individual who has been judged worthy of this honour. In the second part of the ceremony, we will be presenting certificates, diplomas and degrees. Wel, mae nawr yn rhoi pleser mawr i mi wahodd Dr Lee Griffin, cadeirydd Bwrdd y Llywodraethwyr, i agor y seremoni y bore yma. It gives me great pleasure to invite Dr Lee Griffin, Chair of the Board of Governors of Wrexham University, to open the ceremony.
Barada, good morning. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, graduands. For many of you, today's ceremony is the official end of your studies at Wrexham University and is marked by these formal proceedings known as a congregation. The reason for this congregation is so that degrees can be conferred, honorary fellowships awarded, and other business which concerns this university be transacted. And so, by the authority given to me by the university, it gives me great pleasure to open this congregation of Wrexham University and to ask that the university proclamation be read.
Hyder trwy addysg. Bydded hysbys i aelodau'r Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yn bresennol. Y cynhelir heddiw ar y dyddiad hwn, dydd Mercher y 9 ar 20 o Fai 2024, yn Ninas Wrecsam. Gynulliad awdurdodedig o Brifysgol Wrecsam, i dderbyn yn gymrawd anrhydeddus unigolyn teilwng, sydd trwy ei gweithredoedd wedi profi ei hunan yn deilwng o barch yn y gymdeithas academaidd. Derbynir i'w gwobrau hefyd unigolion sydd trwy efrydiaeth yn y Brifysgol a thrwy ddisg, medr a dyfalbarhad wedi teilyngu'r cyfryw raddau yn unol ag ordeiniadau'r Brifysgol. Gyda phob gweddi a dymuniad, ar iddynt fwynhau iechyd a hir hoedl, i wasanaethu ei hoes a'i cenedl dan fendith y nef. Yna, dy oleuni a gyfyd mewn tywyllwch. Ath dywyllwch a fydd fel hanner dydd. A rhai a fyddant ohono ti a adeiladant yr hen ddiffeithleoedd. Y mae digonedd o air ac o emau, ond geiriau deallus yw'r trysor gwerthfawrocaf. Hyder trwy addysg. Confidence through education. Be it known to members of the university and to all here present that an authorised congregation of Wrexham University is being held here in the city of Wrexham this day, 29th of May 2024, to receive as an honorary fellow a worthy person who, through their actions and deeds, have shown themselves to be worthy of the respect of the academic community. In addition, those who have, through study at the university and through learning, ability and perseverance, been deemed worthy of university awards in accordance with the ordinances of the university will be admitted to their appropriate degrees, in the hope that they may be given health and long life to serve their generation and their country under the blessing of heaven. Then shall thy light rise in obscurity, and thy darkness be as the noonday. And they that shall be of thee shall build the old waste places. There is gold, and a multitude of rubies, but the lips of knowledge are a precious jewel. Wel, mae nawr yn bleser gen I alw ar Spencer Harris I gyflwyno Andrew Scott am gymrodoriaeth anrhydeddus. It now gives me pleasure to call upon Spencer Harris to present Andrew Scott for an honorary fellowship.
Bore da. It is my distinct pleasure to present Andrew Scott for the award of Honorary Fellowship. Andy Scott is best known as the guitarist of one of the UK's best-selling bands of the 70s, The Sweet, and also as a staunch supporter of Wrexham AFC. Andy grew up in Wrexham with a love of music and sport. He sang in choirs in the parish churches of Rosthea and Wrexham, and on special occasions in the cathedral at St Asaph. The 1950s and 60s set the standards for popular music, which led Andy to a career in music. In 1966, as part of a band, the Silverstones, he appeared on the TV talent show Opportunity Knocks, winning 5 weeks in a row, but ultimately lost out in the final to Freddie Starr. His first real taste of the big time came with the Silverstones in 1967, when they found themselves supporting Jimi Hendrix in Manchester. His next band, the Elastic Band, was notable for Andy starting to feature on lead guitars, and also that his brother Mike, who played bass and saxophone, joined the band. The band was signed to Decca Records, and it released a few singles and one album to critical acclaim. It was also about this time that he met Mike McCartney, brother of Paul, and Andy moved on to become part of the backing for The Scaffold, another band. In 1970, Andy made a move to London and joined The Sweet. The band went on to sell millions of records and had chart success all over the world, including in the United States of America. After the original lineup stopped touring in 1981, Andy made the decision to continue. The Sweet are still active today, touring the world, and releasing new recordings regularly. Andy has received many awards as an artist, songwriter, and music producer. In 1978, his song Love is Like Oxygen was nominated in the UK for the prestigious Ivor Novello Award, and the song also won the American ASCAP Award that year. Many of the sweet songs have appeared on movie and TV soundtracks, most recently Guardians of the Galaxy 2, and many have been covered by artists of all generations. He has appeared on Top of the Pops, wearing a Wrexham AFC rosette, and has performed at various events, including here at the university in the William Aston Hall, to raise money for his beloved Wrexham AFC during the dark days of the early 2000s. In an interview with the Wrexham leader last year, in response to a question about how often he gets to Wrexham now, Andy responded, "Not often enough." It's therefore our pleasure to welcome him back to accept our highest honour at Wrexham University. In recognition of his outstanding contribution to Wrexham AFC, music and the wider community, I present Andrew Scott, a son of this place, for admission to our highest honour of honorary fellowship.
Bore da. Vice-Chancellor, Chair of the Board, and graduates, family and friends. I was going to attempt some Welsh, but having heard that lady over there speak, I think it's best I don't. I think Spencer summed up most of what I was probably going to talk about. So all I can really say is, as a Wrexhamian, as somebody who was born in Myfyrwyr, brought up in Acton, and eventually flew the nest, there's a word called hiraeth, and it's what I carry with me all over the world. And I have to say, coming back to Wrexham, it's been fantastic. All I can say is, if I can do what I've done, you can do whatever you want to do. It's not something that is written. You can write your own future. And I thank everybody for this. This is more important than a lot of the awards that I've had in my life. And as long as Mick Jagger and Paul McCartney are still touring, I can't see myself stopping either. Thank you.
Bydded hysbys i aelodau'r Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yn bresennol. Fod y Brifysgol wedi rhoddi'r awdurdod i'r athro Maria Hinfela i dderbyn i'w graddau Myfyrwyr Prifysgol Wrecsam a enillodd raddau yn unol â rheolau'r Brifysgol. Gwelir enwau'r rhai y gellir ei derbyn i'w graddau yn y cynulliad hwn yn y rhestr printiedig sydd wedi ei ddosbarthu. Let it be known to members of the university and to all who are present that the university has granted authority to Professor Maria Hinfela to admit to their degrees students of Wrexham University who have qualified for degrees according to the regulations of the university. The names of those who may be admitted to their degrees in this congregation are to be seen on the printed lists that have been distributed today. Anrhydeddus is-ganghellor. Cyflwynaf i chi y myfyrwyr hyn o Brifysgol Wrexham yw graddau, diplomau a'i tystysgrifau priodol. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you these students from Wrexham University to their respective certificates, diplomas and degrees. Baglor mewn nyrsio anrhydedd, Nyrsio oedolion, Bachelor of Nursing Honours, Adult Nursing.
Wendy Williams, Tasina Evans-Hughes, Sophie Harvey, Simona Verona Spataru, Sarah Emily Lewis, Louise Newcomb. Lisa Williams, Leah Ann Beach, Laura Whitworth. Laura Hipkiss, Kelly Marie Bagley, Dusty Bo Williams. Danielle Williams, Cody Elise Griffiths, Claire Rains. Christopher Simon Griffith-Owen, Cameron Neil Evans, Alison Jane Shaw. Abigail Price.
Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd, Gwyddorau Chwaraeon ac ymarfer cymhwysol. Bachelor of Science Honours, Applied Sport and Exercise.
Georgia Bethany Roberts.
Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd, hyfforddiant pêl-droed ac arbenigwr perfformiad. Bachelor of Science Honours, Football Coaching and Performance Specialist.
Taylor James Dalton, Laura Davis, Jonathan Trotman. Jamie Monk.
Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd, Iechyd meddwl a lles. Bachelor of Science Honours, Mental Health and Wellbeing.
Karen Ann Williams.
Bachelor mewn Gwyddoniaeth Anrhydedd, Physiotherapy. Apologies. Bachelor mewn Gwyddoniaeth Anrhydedd, Iechyd Meddwl a Lles. Bachelor of Science Honours, Mental Health and Wellbeing.
Nayari Matandiro, Nicola Bateman, J. Roberts. Ngozi Teresa Abina Njabi, Nicola Bailey, Jacqueline Miranda Renwick. Yean Daniel Gareth Owen Ellis, Holly Parry, Gillian Elizabeth Cutler. Esther Naomi Adams, Darlene Condy.
Bachelor mewn Gwyddoniaeth Anrhydedd, Physiotherapy. Bachelor of Science Honours, Physiotherapy.
Shelley Thomas, Samantha Joanna Marie Voss, Samantha Evans. Sally May Ellis, Reese Hardy, Rebecca Parker. Philip David Lansdowne, Joanne Ruffle, Fionn Jones. Declan Roy Darlington, Dean David Riley, Daniel Richard Blunt. Alexander Lawson.
Bachelor mewn Gwyddoniaeth Anrhydedd, Iechyd a Lles y Cyhoedd. Bachelor of Science Honours, Public Health and Wellbeing.
Dorota Ursula Andonov, Renata Elisabetta Villas-Boas.
Bachelor mewn Gwyddoniaeth Anrhydedd, Gwyddor Chwaraeon, Iechyd a Pherfformiad. Bachelor of Science Honours, Sport, Health and Performance Science.
Sarah Bone.
Bachelor mewn Gwyddoniaeth Anrhydedd, Adsefydlu Anafiadau Chwaraeon. Bachelor of Science Honours, Sports Injury Rehabilitation.
Bethan Grimes, Louise Clegg.
Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd gyda chymhwyster proffesiynol mewn Therapi Galwedigaethol. Bachelor of Science Honours with professional qualification in Occupational Therapy. Yn ddrwg gen i? There seems to be a difference and a change. Mi na I ddeud y teitl unwaith eto, a'i nôl at y teitl greiddiol, I'll go back to the original title. Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd at sefydlu anafiadau chwaraeon. Bachelor of Science Honours, Sports Injury Rehabilitation.
Melanie Nicholson, Estanislao Berbagalgil, Billy John Davis.
Ac yn ôl eto at baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd gyda chymhwyster proffesiynol mewn Therapi Galwedigaethol. Bachelor of Science Honours with professional qualification in Occupational Therapy.
Wendy Ann Jones, Vicky Lee Twiss, Shannon Gomer. Sarah Margaret Cullen, Sarah Louise Darlington, Rachel Olivia Law. Olivia Jane Pearson, Louise Allen, Jodie Francesca Toller. Hannah Lowry, Hannah Louise Evans, Gemma Corcoran. Fern Alexandra Mahan, Emma Swinburne, Danielle Tenney. Corinne Louise Bailey, Clara Boller, Odentingbo, Christine Marie Phillips. Chloe Louise Evans, Carla Louise Stone, Boston Leigh Bennett.
Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth Iechyd, Meddwl a Lles. Bachelor of Science, Mental Health and Wellbeing.
Gail Victoria Matthews, Catherine Hayley Willits.
Diploma i raddedigion, ymarfer arbenigol cymunedol, Nyrsio Ardal. Graduate Diploma, Community Specialist Practice, Nursing Area.
Donna Bevan, Tracy Scott.
Diploma graddedig mewn nyrsio, cymunedol arbenigol cyhoeddus, ymweld. Graduate Diploma, Specialist Community, Public Health Nursing, Health Visiting.
Laura Colcliffe.
Diploma graddedig mewn nyrsio, cymunedol arbenigol gyhoeddus, nyrsio ysgol. Graduate Diploma, Specialist Community Public Health Nursing, School Nursing.
Glenys Jones.
Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes. Master of Business Administration.
Vera Anubi, Suraj Kumar, Sarah Khan. Sarah Jane Grundy, Peter James Spencer, Paul Dillsworth. Owen David Riles, Michael Chigamba. Jahangir Alam, Mark Russell Salmon, Luke Bowles. Julia Tolkatua, John Keith, James Arnott.
Garnet, can you go a bit closer to the mic so people can hear you?
Isioman Junior Oriai, Humphrey Ahemwala Morocco, Haki Ahmed Gohanen. Evangelos Raptis, Emma Michelle Cadwallader, Dimitra Lepiniotti. Charlotte Louise Newton, Brian Robert Y, Ashley Kumar Sukandram. Apurva Vora.
Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes data mawr. Master of Business Administration, Big Data.
Hayley Robertson, Dean Alexander Carr, Adesola Kune Olisula Ogunbire.
Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes, Seiber Ddiogelwch. Master of Business Administration, Cyber Security.
Oluwatobi Olusala Ogunlei, Nadia Mahmood, David James Thomas.
Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes, entrepreneuriaeth. Master of Business Administration, Entrepreneurship.
Tracy Ambrose, Morgan Charles Williams, Etienne Nanku Matsop.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr, wahodd yr is-ganghellor I roi ei hanherchiad y bore yma. I would now like to invite the Vice-Chancellor to give her address.
Chair, graduating students, parents, spouses, friends, colleagues, honorary fellows, members of the Board of Governors, ladies and gentlemen. Bore da, good morning. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to this very, very special award ceremony at Wrexham University, on what is a very special day for everyone assembled here today, whether you are here in person or watching the live stream wherever you are in the world. Gaining a university degree is one of the highest personal achievements. It's a test of stamina, commitment, intellectual rigor, and ability. You should be extremely proud. You've worked hard. You've made the most of the opportunity of a university education. So on behalf of all the staff and the governors at our university, I'd like to say congratulations, and well done. Graduation ceremonies are the highlight of the year, symbolizing the values which we stand for at Wrexham University. A degree is a valuable asset. It's yours as of today and will remain yours forever. It marks an investment which you have personally made in your future. It marks your achievements, and these are now being rewarded. There will be others who've also contributed to your personal achievement. This no doubt includes your close family and friends, and they also deserve our thanks. No matter how much individual talent you have, very few people can thrive unless they have a supportive environment behind them and around them. Our thanks also include the staff who've helped you here and supported you throughout your time here at university. You will now have a university qualification on your CV. This is a passport to future employment or study in your chosen profession. It is proof, it is conclusive evidence that you have acquired relevant knowledge, skills, and competencies. You are now an expert in your subject, the one that you picked, the one that you chose, that you wanted to do. This is where you had your ambitions. But it will also be important to keep stretching yourselves. Perform to high standards. Be open to learning new things and stay curious, so you remain at the forefront of your field, because things do not stand still, they move on. You've graduated, but you may not have all the answers yet. Nobody does. But wherever your career takes you, your degree will always stand you in good stead, and you'll be up for whatever life brings. Also, you will now be part of a growing community of Wrexham University alumni. Thousands of students study in Wrexham every year, from the UK, but also from other parts of Europe, from Asia or Africa, and many other parts of the world. On top of that, we have thousands of students outside Wrexham with partner colleges spread around the globe or online, for instance in Hong Kong, Singapore, Sri Lanka, China, and the Middle East, as well as, of course, in other parts of the UK. So the university has grown in recent years. We now have around 12,000 enrolments in the UK and abroad. So that makes your qualification truly global. And as we all know, Wrexham as a place is increasingly a pretty famous global brand. So that's good news for the university and for you personally. These days, everybody knows where we are on the map. To quote the theme for this year's graduations, embark on the adventure tomorrow, celebrate the journey today. So in fact, you are already on that journey of the next chapter in your lives, because it may have been a while since you sat those final exams. And as you will discover today, we really want to know how you're getting on. I believe we have various colleagues from marketing here today who are going around asking you a few questions. And there's nothing better than hearing from you directly. How do you look back on your time here? Where are you now? What about in 3 years' time? What are your plans? And what's going to be the best part of today? So don't be shy. Let's know what you're thinking and what you're doing. And the graduations festival after the ceremony this morning obviously isn't only about asking you questions and doing the photos. There'll be plenty of entertainment and food and drink for you to enjoy with your guests. So it is a celebration. At this session, as we've heard, we're marking the achievements of our graduates in nursing, allied health, and sports science courses. You will have massive contributions to make, joining the workforce of much-needed healthcare professionals in our region and beyond. Wrexham University is extremely proud of you as you take on those responsibilities. The sister programs in sports have strong connections with our health courses in areas such as injury rehabilitation, but also simply encouraging healthier lifestyles. Additionally, we have some of our online business graduates joining us today who have, as the course title suggests, studied their entire program away from campus online on a flexible basis while working. You're very welcome, or it may even be your first visit to Wrexham. And as you may have noticed, at Wrexham University, we haven't stood still since you finished your studies. We continue to invest in our facilities under our £80 million campus master plan. We've completed the next phase of our Health Education Innovation Quarter with state-of-the-art spaces for our nursing and allied health students. We have upgraded some studio spaces at the Regent Street Art School. We're also about to open our new Cyber Innovation Academy, which will benefit not only our own students on campus on computing courses, but also local organizations and businesses who want to train their own staff. We have a major construction project on site here and in St Asaph to build the Enterprise Engineering and Optics Centre with almost £12 million of funding from the North Wales Growth Deal. And we will continue to improve our existing facilities, slowly but surely, corridor by corridor. We now have lovely social and collaborative study spaces on all our campuses where students can spend time outside class. We're putting in place a brand new Wi-Fi network over the summer. And there's much more to come. A new home for the Students' Union, for instance. These are truly exciting times. And Wrexham University is definitely standing out amongst other higher education providers when it comes to capital investment happening right now. We need to think about the future needs of our students and our community, and that is what we're all about. But back to today and your future success. I wish you all the best in your future career, and once again, you deserve it, and you have all the ability. Today is about enjoying the moment and the celebrations, so make sure you do that. So to finish, I wish you pob luck, Iechyd a hapus roedd dda. Good luck, good health, and happiness. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr, wahodd llywydd undeb y myfyrwyr I ddweud ychydig o eiriau y bore yma. I would now like to invite the President of the Students' Union to say a few words this morning.
Bore da, good morning. It is an honour and a privilege to be sharing these celebrations with you today. I know all too well the work that you have had to put in to be sat here today, but you've done it. Sticking to the theme of celebrating, this year your Students' Union have celebrated fantastic results from the National Student Survey. We were ranked #1 in Wales for Students' Unions and for Student Voice. We celebrated winning campaign of the year at the National Union of Students Awards for our Help Your Shelf campaign. This is in response to the cost of living crisis that we are all facing. We have celebrated sports teams being promoted, and a record number of students accessing our services and attending our events. And today, we round off the year by celebrating you. It is an exciting time when you come to the end of your studies and receive your degrees, but it can also feel daunting. Your university will still be here for you. Your journey with us does not end here. There are many ways you can access support and guidance after you have graduated. And of course, we want you to come back and work with us and tell us all about your achievements in life. We want you to continue this journey of celebration with us. When I came to searching for a university to study at, I wanted a university where the course was ranked highly for the quality of its teaching. Wrexham University was #1 in the UK for my particular subject. I wanted an institution where I wasn't just a number, and a place where I felt valued and supported. Wrexham University certainly delivered on that. And I am sure, for whatever reasons you chose to study here, you'll agree that once you're here, you feel part of a community, part of a family. And I am sure that because of this, you will all be excellent ambassadors for our university. I am in no doubt that you will all go out into the world and do some extraordinary things. But my message to you is, success is a journey, not a destination. You will have ups and downs over the years, but always remember to be kind to yourselves throughout it all. Congratulations and good luck. Thank you.
Anrhydeddus Is-Ganghellor. Cyflwynaf i chi y myfyrwyr hyn o Brifysgol Wrecsam yw graddau, diplomau a'i tystysgrifau priodol. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you these students from Wrexham University to their respective certificates, diplomas and degrees. Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes, cyllid. Masters in Business Administration, Finance.
Paul James Collier, Obalme Uwama Francis Agogo, Martina Victoria Prentice. Mandeep Singh Jandu, Janine Lorna, Hibza Fawad. Agata Skarut.
Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes, rheoli iechyd. Masters in Business Administration, Health Management.
Zara Devine, Wendy Ann Quinn, Stephanie Moore. Shanaz Munim, Sanjan Thandrayan, Rhiannon Roberts. Nicola Vaughan-Jones, Alana Nencube, Michelle Smith. Mariam Sargini, Kieran James Thomas, Joanne Williams. Jessica Jane Jones, Jacqueline Koa Otenyo Tindia, Hazel Ann Rawson Williams. Godson Akene Chukwuezubelo, Claire White, Ajili George. Agnes Tutani.
Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes, rheoli adnoddau dynol. Masters of Business Administration, Human Resource Management.
Thomas Truman, Tara Subug, Ngozi Okabu. Matthew James Fenton.
Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes, marchnata. Masters in Business Administration, Marketing.
Mark McKee, Kevin Phelps, Alison Claire Gray.
Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes, rheoli prosiectau. Masters in Business Administration, Project Management.
Yawa Abbas, Rehem Mohammed, El Sayed El Kash, Rafi Ramanan. Philip Herrick, Liane Marie Creary, Kehinde Hussein Tala. Doris Regazi, Ostine Imolkide, Arlette Tala.
Meistr mewn gweinyddu busnes, seicoleg. Masters in Business Administration, Psychology.
Jamie Farr, Fionn Harv Williams, Amelia Rose Cranfield.
Meistr mewn gweinyddiaeth gyhoeddus, Master of Public Administration.
Ade Moreya, Ole Emai Odu Tola.
Meistr mewn gweinyddiaeth gyhoeddus, rheoli prosiectau. Master of Public Administration, Project Management.
Mihaly Mark Sisko, Jai Shankar.
Meistr mewn ymchwil, Gwyddor Chwaraeon gymhwysol. Master of Research, Applied Biomedical Sciences Research.
Swetha Karnam.
Meistr mewn ymchwil, Gwyddor Chwaraeon, ymarfer corff ac iechyd physioleg. Master of Research, Sports, Exercise and Health Sciences, Physiology. Apologies, I need to go back to another programme. So I'm going back to Master of Science, Meistr mewn Gwyddoniaeth, ymarfer clinigol uwch, Master of Science, Advanced Clinical Practice.
Natalie Jane Lippett, Sally Ann MacDonald, Davinia Castano Garcia.
Meistr mewn Gwyddoniaeth, ymarfer clinigol uwch, Master of Science, Advanced Clinical Practice.
Catherine Rees, Wayne Hugh Tomlinson, Stephanie Griffiths. Sandra Zilla Stevenson, Rachel Claire Hughes, Philip David Danborough. Natalie Louise Hopwood, Michelle Hughes, Melody Macanyara Matondo. Melissa Wall, Llynos Garod, Leslie Hughes. Laura K. Johns, Kelly Louise Croft, Helen Jane Williams. Hannah Marshall Nichols, Kerry-Ann Williams, Candy Scholes.
Meistr yn y Gwyddorau Iechyd Gwyddoniaeth, Master of Science, Health Sciences.
Claire George.
Meistr yn y Gwyddorau Iechyd Gwyddoniaeth, Arweinyddiaeth Gofal Iechyd. Master of Science, Health Sciences, Healthcare Leadership.
Nicola Hughes, Michelle Hughes, Lisa Claire Orhan. Andrea Marie Perrett.
Meistr yn y Gwyddorau Iechyd Gwyddoniaeth Therapiau. Master of Science, Health Sciences, Therapies.
Kimberly Jo Pearce.
Meistr mewn Iechyd, Gwyddoniaeth, Iechyd Meddwl a Lles. Master of Science, Health, Mental Health and Wellbeing.
Nicola Ann Ellett, George William Greenwood, Bethan Ellery Hudson. Anna Quinn.
Meistr mewn Gwyddoniaeth, Gofal Iechyd Sylfaenol. Master of Science, Primary Healthcare.
Elizabeth Jane Owen Till, Dion Crown.
Meistr mewn Gwyddoniaeth, Nyrsio Arbenigol Cymunedol Gyhoeddus. Master of Science, Specialist Community Public Health Nursing.
Rebecca Davis, Bethan Jones.
Tystysgrif ôl-raddedig mewn Gwyddoniaeth Biofeddygol. Postgraduate Certificate in Biomedical Science.
Harpreet Kaur.
Tystysgrif ôl-raddedig mewn Gweinyddu Busnes. Postgraduate Certificate, Business Administration.
David Neil Martin, Bethan Roberts.
Tystysgrif ôl-raddedig mewn Nyrsio mewn achosion brys. Postgraduate Certificate in Emergency Nursing.
Oliver Anthony James Courtney, Mohammed Asaruddin Kadharsbasha, Emma Louise Jones. Elan Jones, Carly Speak Stonio.
Tystysgrif ôl-raddedig ymarferydd ar gyfwng. Postgraduate Certificate, Emergency Practitioner.
Katie Ann Roberts.
Diploma ôl-raddedig mewn Nyrsio Iechyd Cyhoeddus Cymunedol Arbenigol, Ymwelwyr Iechyd. Postgraduate Diploma, Specialist Community Public Health Nursing, Health Visiting.
Susan Danielle Barton, Rebecca Jane Hendry, Rebecca Jane Perrin. Patricia Ann Parsons, Mary Jane Emily Roberts, Lisa Louise Wallace. Kay Roberts, Hayley Louise Roberts, Catherine Fionn Ellis. Amy Rona Thomas.
Diploma ôl-raddedig mewn Nyrsio Iechyd Cyhoeddus Cymunedol Arbenigol. Nyrsio mewn ysgolion. Postgraduate Diploma, Specialist Community Public Health Nursing, School Nursing.
Vicky Priest, Nicola Rowe, Joanne Hewitt. Cheryl Darby, Alana Jade Owen.
Diploma ôl-raddedig mewn ymarfer arbenigol cymunedol, Nyrsio Ardal. Postgraduate Diploma, Community Specialist Practice, District Nursing.
Zoe Jade Birch, Stephanie Wood, Rebecca Sarah Jones. Kelly Olt, Hannah Catherine Powell, Gwawr Parry Roberts. Allo Mai Jones.
Baglor yn y Gwyddoniaeth Anrhydedd, Bachelor of Science Honours, Iechyd a Lles y Cyhoedd, Public Health and Wellbeing.
Louise Clegg.
Baglor yn y Gwyddoniaeth Anrhydedd, Iechyd a Lles y Cyhoedd, Bachelor of Science Honours, Public Health and Wellbeing.
Bethan Grimes.
Bear with me while I find my place. Okay, so we're nearly there, and we're now going to come to the most formal part of the ceremony. This is the point at which we officially confer the degrees or other awards on you and you become graduates. At some universities this might be done in Latin, at English universities it's done in English, here in Wales we're going to do it in Welsh. So what's going to happen is the orator, Ellen May, is going to ask me to confer the degrees and all their privileges on you, which I will do. And she will then ask me to do the same for those who can't be here today and are getting their degrees in absentia. So, for this very formal moment, could I ask all the graduates to please stand?
Anrhydeddus Is-Ganghellor. Cymeradwyaf i chi dderbyn y myfyrwyr hyn i'w gwobrau ac i holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Twee awdurdod y Prifysgol i ymddiradwyd i mi, derbyn i af, chwych gwobrau ac i holl freintiau'r gwobrau hyn.
Anrhydeddus Is-Ganghellor. Cymeradwyaf i chi dderbyn yn ei habsenoldeb y myfyrwyr hynny a enwyd yn rhannau priodol y rhaglen i'w gwobrau ac i holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Twee awdurdod y Prifysgol a ymddiradwyd i mi, derbyn i af rhai a nodwydd yn ei habsenoldeb i'w gwobrau ac i holl freintiau'r graddau hyn. That's it. You have your degrees. Congratulations.
nawr, gewch chi eistedd. Diolch yn fawr. Wel, hoffwn yn awr, wahodd gyda i cadeirydd Bwrdd y Llywodraethwyr, Dr Lee Griffin, i gau y cynulliad y bore yma. I would now like to invite Dr Lee Griffin, the Chair of the Board of Governors, to close the congregations this morning.
We're almost there. Ladies and gentlemen, the granting of an academic award brings with it privilege and responsibility. Through your hard work and diligence, you have joined a distinguished society of scholars. Be the change you want to see in the world. Keep true to what's important for you and keep Wrexham in your heart. I would like to add my personal congratulations to those of the Vice-Chancellor and the University. And in doing so, I formally close the congregations of Wrexham University. Thank you.
Gyfeillion, diolch yn fawr iawn i chi. Dyna ddiwedd y seremoni y bore yma. Cynhelir cynulliad nesaf Prifysgol Wrecsam y prynhawn yma. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes this morning's graduation ceremony. The next congregation of Wrexham University will take place this afternoon. Gai ofyn i chi gyd i nawr i sefyll ac aros ar eich traed hyd nes i'r orymdaith gan gynnwys y graddedigion newydd adael yn euad os gwelwch yn dda. May I ask you all to stand and remain standing until the procession, including the new graduates, has left the hall. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi.